Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal, and today, as you see, we are doing a standing video because I wanted you all to get a full view of how my protective style came out. If you are new here, you probably don't know that I have been transitioning and I am currently 13 months post relaxer. So I have been using a lot of protective styles just to keep my hair up out of my way so that I'm not having to touch it and to ensure that I'm getting some good growth. Now, check out the last video that I just uploaded. I did bring you all with me as I was prepping for this hairstyle. So I took you along my shampoo conditioning process, as well as listed all of my products for you so that you can see exactly what I used to get to this right here. So here is the final result. I got these done on yesterday. The girl came to my house and she did an amazing job. If you're interested to see exactly what we're gonna do with these braids today, make sure that you stay tuned. This is my first time working with a color when it comes to my braids, especially like towards the roots. I've never really done a full-on color like this, so it's definitely taking some getting used to. As of right now, I'm not really feeling the length because I feel like it's too long for me, but I am getting ready to go on vacation, so I don't know, I may still straighten them, but for today, what this video is about is we are going to be curling these braids. So as you can see, these braids are extremely long, which if it works for you, it works for you. But for me, it's just too long. So I'm gonna go ahead, I think that for today, I am going to be using these blue perm rods, and I think that I'm gonna try and roll these like in a layered look so that I can kind of help with some of that length also. So let's just go ahead, jump right into it and see how that layering is gonna happen. Now, I think that I'm okay with leaving it in the middle part, but either way it goes, I'm going to maybe start the layer up here and go from there. So let's go ahead, start rolling. I'm only gonna use rollers. I'm not gonna use anything else on the hair itself, and I'm probably gonna roll in 3s or 4s. Let's go ahead and just get started. I'm rolling these going back as I would if I was actually, you know, wearing my hair down. Since I'm layering these, I'm gonna start the next layer right here. Here we are with the rollers in. I'm gonna go ahead and boil my water, and let's go ahead and get these dipped and see exactly how these come out. I'm going to dip my rollers, let them sit for a little bit, and then we'll come and take them out together and see exactly what type of look this gives. This length is definitely more doable for me. I do know that it's still going to be long, but it's not gonna be, you know, past but long. So stay tuned. Let me go ahead and get my hair dipped, and I'll be right back. I'm back from dipping my hair. Let's go ahead and take these rollers out and see if this helped make a difference with the length. Okay, that's a cute curl. It is giving me French curl vibes. So I think that I am going to go and re-dip just this one right here because it didn't come out as great. So I'm gonna re-roll it differently and I'm gonna start it from the bottom this time. And I'm gonna go re-dip this because my water is still on the stove and it is still hot. So I went ahead and re-dipped the last one that I wanted to redo, y'all, and these curls came out so good. I am very happy with the result. It's not as long as it was before and it looks so much better to me. So I am going to let this dry, go about my day, and this is going to be the look that these braids are going to have for the rest of the duration in my hair. I'll definitely be refreshing them as the time goes on, and I will be definitely bringing you all with me as I style and care for my braids. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.